I learned a lot of my life through stories. Today, I would like to share with you my own narrative journey, to share it as a material, to talk about my commitment as a griot. I define myself more as a griot than a visual artist. The word of griot sounds like the landscape of my memory. It's part of me, and a traditional form of storytelling in Africa. One day, I decide to appropriate this heritage to myself, and it became my statement. Au sens poétique, le griot remet en question l'individu dans sa propre trajectoire, car il absorbe la parole des anciens, la remodule comme une boule de graisse qu'il vient déposer dans le ventre du passant avec les ingrédients de son époque. En pratique, c'est casser le rythme du quotidien et y intégrer sa part d'éternité, 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 d'éternité.
In the poetic sense, the griot questions the individual as he or she moves through life by absorbing the words of the ancients and modeling them like a ball of fat that he places in the stomach of each passerby with the ingredients of the day. In the practical sense, the griot breaks the commonplace rhythm by inserting subtle incidents, integrating his part of eternity.
Les pages du vieux livre font des bulles de savon. Les yeux me piquent. Le point-virgule est de trop, car l'arrogance a le vent en poupe. L'arrogance a le vent en poupe.
This poem is about a parody, is about books and knowledge. Everything needs to be learned, but differently.
It's the notion between the time and the trauma. La question: y a-t-il eu une interruption du trauma? Y a-t-il eu une interruption du trauma? Le cordon ombilical avec l'Afrique a-t-il été coupé? Sinon, pourquoi?
The question is, has the umbilical cord been cut with Africa?
Ma tête est un roc. Ma tête est un roc. Mes paupières sont en porcelaine. Pourquoi parles-tu ainsi? Je suis habité par des conversations en ruine. Elles se déposent par strates sur la lisière du bord. Et je construis des fragments parce que le puzzle est infini. Le puzzle est infini.
The significance of this poem is that the writing of the story is not finished.
Combien de baisers en caution? Combien de baisers en caution pour cautériser le mal déjà répandu? Il nous faudra aimer des sommets de foi. Il nous faudra aimer des sommets de foi.
The genesis of his canvas is that after 2 years of consultation of the colonial archives in the Museum of Tavern near Brussels, one day, by chance, I found the most amazing images, the most troubling images I had never seen before. I therefore decided that starting from there, I would start a rehabilitation of the black body. It is a very ambitious project, a long-standing project, and this is a fragment of it.
This painting is the notion of impression. I enjoy inviting footprint feeling when Weston had the idea to reclaim the lion symbol as a mark of nationalism. What's about the domination and the supremacy in that moment? Mon allié solaire, réveille-toi, courage battant. On se donne la main pour briller de force. Toi la gardienne qui soupèse le vent, cogne dans la danse. La chair s'envole en rose, mes lames tapis en rose. De mes yeux pourpres, je t'aime dans l'œil. Éternité et étreinte à mes reins, jamais mes bras lasses seront. De la peur, de la désintégration à l'émiettement, la peau tannée du démembrement, cuirasse-moi, mêle-moi, cuirasse-moi, mêle-moi. De la peur, de la désintégration à l'émiettement, la peau tannée du démembrement, cuirasse-moi, mêle-moi, cuirasse-moi, mêle-moi. My artistic commitment leads me to face the history of my origin, the history of Black people, through time to better understand the cultural, the social and economical issue of the world which I am part of. If nobody chooses his race in a sense of deconstruction this term, I mean a race, one can truly contribute in writing the present history. After months of immersion, it has become evident to me that it's time to demystify slavery as a unique phenomenon particular to the Black race, and rather to view it as a part of universal patrimony. It has helped me to link the problem of racism and xenophobia, past and present, north and south, east and west,